Hi, I'm Bridie. I'm based in the Rhondda in Pontypridd. I'm an artist with a multidisciplinary background, but I'm currently interested in making items of furniture and doing upholstery. My dad was a cabinet maker and I was spending some of my time as a childhood sort of tinkering around in the workshop. So for me, it's like a connection back to something in my history. I've created a piece which is inspired by the local old tales of Wales, our mythology of the Mabinogion. So I've created the letters for the word awen. Awen is the word for inspiration, and I think that is very much what we all have as an artist from this area, and our interest in creating things no matter what. I wanted something that was quite futuristic, so I've gone for white astroturf and white letters as our kind of blank canvas, really. The piece will also then have paintings of words and other kind of decoration on using glow-in-the-dark type paints. So it'll give us another element of colour and interest when it's finished. This is my first sort of sculptural piece that I've made completely from scratch without kind of using some kind of existing piece of furniture, which has been really nice. So it's just looking at things a slightly different perspective to design, giving me more creativity of what exactly it's going to look like, and also challenging me to kind of make sure that I can make something that's sturdy and will withstand being sat on, withstand the weather, withstand some time being outdoors. It's been a really nice process to think about how to make something that communicates the ideas but is nice and simple as well, and just can be enjoyed and appreciated